A very good evening once again, ladies and gentlemen. So, today I am going to talk on the topic that is the Golden Quadrilateral. So, for this particular lecturate, firstly, I will be giving a brief introduction followed by the importance and the significance of roads and the Golden Quadrilateral. Later on, I will talk about some challenges, and at the end, I will conclude my topic by giving a small conclusion. So, talking about the introduction, then the Golden Quadrilateral, the idea of the Golden Quadrilateral was introduced by Atal Bihari Vajpayee in 1999, but it was launched in the year 2001 with an initial cost of 8.4 billion US dollar, and the Golden Quadrilateral was completed in the year 2012 with a minimum cost of just 4.8 billion US dollar, which is lesser than the initial predictable cost. And friends, the importance of this Golden Quadrilateral is that it connects the four major cities, four mega cities of India: the Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata. And apart from this it also provides the connectivity to the agricultural, industrial, and socio-cultural cities of India. It connects the Bodh Gaya, Varanasi, Kanpur, Jaipur, Udaipur, Ahmedabad, Bengaluru, Surat, and so many cities in India. So, friends, we all know that the role of road and transport is very important in integration of any nation. It provides the access of new ideas from north to south, east to west. And with the help of roads, the farmers, the industrialists, the businessmen, they are able to export their produce to another cities. And with the help of the market is commercialized, and the market and economic growth becomes higher. And apart from the economic growth, it also plays a major role in India's border protection. Friends, the border roads, they are utilized by military for mobilization of troops. Recently, we saw that aggression of China is happening due to the construction of large number of roads in the border areas. So we all know that roads are very important. And talking about some challenges, then in India the roads are very less, and the consumption of fuel by the trucks are very high, and the average speed of trucks is very low. So we need to improve this, and as well as the condition of roads in India is not perfect, as we see every year in the rainy season the roads become flooded with water, the rainwater. Now, talking to the conclusion, I would like to say that the roads are very important asset for any nation as far as their economic growth and the integration of the nation as well as the border protection is concerned. So I would like to say that the government, they must introduce and they must implement all the regulations, all the projects such as Bharatmala project and the inland waterway project. All the connectivity projects must be completed on time, and that's all. Thank you.